Welcome back. In this video, let us do a simple exercise. We will be using AUTOSUM function in this exercise. I have the expense data over here in this sheet, which is AUTOSUM sheet. I have the monthly expenses for paper, electricity, water, groceries, rent, internet, and cable. All I need to do is I need to find out what is the monthly expense. To find out the monthly expense, I can simply use the formula sum, and if I open the bracket and select the range of cells to find out the monthly expenses, I'll be able to easily find out the total for the monthly expense. So this is my monthly expense. So this is one way of finding the monthly expense. There is an error message. There is a warning message over here. If you see here, there is a warning message. And if I copy the formula, I get the total for all the months. So there is a warning message here. So this is simply because you have a number. You have a number adjacent to the number which you are using for the calculation. If I change this date to just January, then you will not see the warning message. Similarly, if you do, see, you don't see the warning message. Just because you add the number adjacent to the number which you used to calculate, there was a warning message. Now, let us get back to the trick which I was supposed to tell you. I will use Ctrl Z to undo, and I have used Ctrl Z, and this is my original data, and I will use monthly expense. To calculate the monthly expense, all I need to do is there is a simple button, there is a simple trick which you can use. You need to just click on the cell, then use the AUTOSUM button over here. So there is a button here in the AUTOSUM. If you click on home, you will see there is an AUTOSUM. Just click on AUTOSUM, you will get the total. So this is the total. And if you copy the formula, you will get the total for all the months. This is one way. This is first trick. I will use the Ctrl Z again to undo. So the second trick is if you use Alt and equal key on your keyboard. So this is the shortcut key to do the AUTOSUM. We get the total. If I enter, I'll get the total. And I can copy the formula. You will get the total for all the months. So this is the total for January, and this is the total for July. So this way you will be able to use the AUTOSUM function and using the shortcut key, which is Alt and equals, to find out the sum. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.